Hi everyone, I don't know why, but I just love doing bunny designs. I have done so many in the past already and I still want to do more. Today I'm gonna do a nerd rabbit. I think wearing glasses can be quite cute if you find the right style that suits you. Anyways, I hope you like this design, so let's get started. As always, apply base coat to protect your nails. Then a layer of a grey polish as the base color. Apply to all of your nails and let it dry. To draw the nerd rabbit, start with a round shape about halfway down the nail with a detail brush or a small liner brush. Then fill it into a solid color. With freehand drawings, it's better to start small and build outwards towards the shape that you want. This way you have more control over the final shape. Next, add in the ears, taking up the remaining section of the nail if you have short nails like mine. Then use a black polish to draw in the glasses. For this part, if you make a mistake or want to fix up any areas, go back to the white polish and go over areas that needs covering up. Especially if the frame shape is a bit uneven, you can easily fix it up. Once you are happy with the frame shape, add 2 dots inside for the eyes and 1 more dot for the nose. And that's all you have to do for the nerd rabbit. For my ring finger, I did a pair of rabbit feet. Using the white polish, start by drawing in 2 teardrop shapes. Then change to the black polish and add in the sole and toes. I know it looks more like a human footprint, but you get the point, right? Bunny foot is much cuter. On my pinky finger, I just did a little bunny tail, using dabbing motions to create a round shape. This will create a texture to the white polish and look like it's fluffy. For my index finger, I can't go past doing some bunny buck teeth. Start with 2 curved lines in the middle of the nail. Then add in another curved line joining the top to create the mouth shape. Fill in the area to a solid black color and let that dry. While we wait, add in the nose. Then using a white polish, add in the 2 white front teeth with a gap in between. My friend saw my nails and thought it was a beaver. I guess I went a little overboard with the teeth. It was meant to be a bunny teeth. I probably didn't have to make it so long. Oh well. Once you're done, apply top coat to all of your nails to prolong the wearing time of your manicure. If you like this video, please rate it, share it, and add it to your favorite playlist. Please subscribe to my channel for weekly new videos. Check out my channel for more nail art inspirations, and thank you for watching.